Great little motor. It's a 6 horsepower HD 300D diesel engine. This particular model number is 178F. It has a displacement of 296 cc's, and it'll run all day at 3,000 RPMs with a max RPM rating of 3,600. At 3,000 you can get about 4 kilowatts, and at 3,600 RPM you can get about 4.4. It's a recoil starter. Fuel capacity is about 3.5, and this is great for biodiesel or regular diesel. I'm going to put some fuel in, go through the mode of starting it, and just kind of show you how it runs. You're going to see that it's got an awful lot of torque, and then I need to push the compression lever down, as that red lever on top, and it's going to really hop and skip around. So I'll go through the steps and fire her up. Put some biodiesel or regular diesel. This is regular diesel. Make sure the float switch is on. It's good. Now, in lieu of a throttle cable, you've got this bracket which you can tighten. It's meant to run continuous operation, so you can go about an inch travel. I'm going to put it in the middle. That way when we start it, it doesn't go crazy on us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find the compression stroke, and I can't pull anymore, so it's about there. Hit my compression lever and give it a go. It's got an awful lot of torque. That thing needs to be bolted down to a frame, but good power, good torque, brand new engines. This is the second shipment, and they've been selling pretty well. Hope you enjoy.